One of my favorite times of the day to shoot photos is either around sunrise or around sunset, because the warm, soft light creates such a nice atmosphere to the photos, and especially here during the autumn, the golden colors of the trees and the landscape around you is a perfect combination together with a sunrise or a sunset light. Hi, my name is Daniel. I am an OM-System ambassador from Denmark, and right now I'm traveling in beautiful Norway to capture the autumn landscape. I brought my OM-5 and some of my favorite lenses. As you can see right now, I'm out hiking in the mountains and it's nice and foggy and it's a bit rain as well. The cool thing is that the OM-5 and the camera kit here is weatherproofed, so the weather sealing is a great opportunity for you to go out in these conditions to create some misty, mysterious vibes in your photos. One of the things you could do to create a depth in your photos is to try to use the foreground background. Try to use elements such as trees or rocks or grass in the foreground. It adds a dimension, but also very nice depth to your photos. Another tip for your landscape photography is to try to get close and try to play with the details. So when you're outside next time, then try to notice what happens around you. It can be, for example, the last blueberries of the season. It can be raindrops on the leaves or the autumn colors, maybe the autumn leaves falling down from the trees. Another good tip for landscape photography is to try to go to the river or to a lake and try to find some nice reflections. Right now I have the mountains behind me here, and I see some beautiful reflections in the water from the golden leaves and the golden trees here. Try to get as low as you can, and then see if you can play around, either with a wide angle or maybe with a zoom lens, depending on the landscape, depending on the photo that you would like. The symmetry and the reflections is really, really cool to play around with. And if you combine it with a sunset or sunrise, that's a really, really good combination. When I'm going on my outdoor trips as an outdoor photographer, I most often bring a lot of different gear, so I need to go lightweight. In that case, I'm bringing my OM-5 camera together with mostly 3 different lenses. One of the lenses would be the 8-25mm f4. The cool thing about this one is that it's very versatile and gives me a great opportunity to capture the big, vast landscapes. This is combined with my 20mm f1.4, which is a great prime both for detail shots but also for portraits. My zoom lens is the 40-150mm f4. This lens is a super nice lightweight lens, but it's also very, very versatile since it makes me able to capture those very compressed and also some really nice detail shots as well. So the 3 lenses together with my OM-5 camera is a great combination, because with this kit I'm able to capture all the things that I need and still be very, very lightweight on my travels.